Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrusandwillow Skincare and Citrusandwillow Advanced Aesthetics courses. In today's video, we are going to talk about hyperpigmentation, some key ingredients that are used in the treatment of hyperpigmentation, and some treatment plans that are great for treating this skin condition. This is the best time of year to treat your clients with hyperpigmentation or dark spots on their skin. I look for some key ingredients in products that you are taking at home and using, as well as doing back bar. I like to look for certain things like mandelic acid, azelaic acid, kojic acid, licorice root, and believe it or not, turmeric. Those are some of the key ingredients that I look for in my products to help treat hyperpigmentation. I really like these ingredients to fight hyperpigmentation because, for example, azelaic acid, it helps to fight acne, it treats rosacea, fine lines and wrinkles, as well as fades dark spots, which means it can be used on all skin types. It is a great acid to choose for hyperpigmentation, such as acne scarring, or even if they have sunspots. It is amazing to use that. It has a gentle exfoliation, and I love giving that as an ingredient for my at-home care. Mandelic acid is another great ingredient to fight hyperpigmentation. It's an AHA. It gently exfoliates to remove hyperpigmentation, as well as great for all Fitzpatrick types and skin types. I love mandelic acid. I use it for my anti-aging clients, my acne clients. Basically, all skin types with hyperpigmentation can use mandelic acid. They can tolerate it. Kojic acid is another great ingredient for fighting hyperpigmentation. I love it because it helps to block melanin. It gives you the overall appearance of lighter skin with the decreased melanocytes. I love to use it at home and in back bar. Licorice root goes in combination with kojic acid when I'm looking for ingredients because it also suppresses melanin and it gives you that overall appearance of lighter skin, and it's exfoliating. I love licorice root as an ingredient to fight hyperpigmentation as well. You can find it in at-home products and back bar. As I mentioned before, turmeric is another great ingredient that are in skincare products now. It is awesome because it has curcumin in it. Curcumin, it is an amazing ingredient in turmeric that helps with inflammation as well as blocking melanin, which lightens dark spots as well as hyperpigmentation from acne, and it can be used on pretty much all skin types as well. Be careful if you're trying an at-home mask. I do not recommend that with turmeric. I have seen those online. It will kind of dye your skin a color, so don't do that. These are just a few of many ingredients that have the lightening effect. Do your research. I cannot stress enough how important it is to make sure that you are looking at your ingredients and also making sure you're giving those ingredients to your clients to take home. The at-home product care is super important. The routine, super important. Most product lines come with a hyperpigmentation series or a hyperpigmentation, some sort of corrective treatment. So make sure you're looking at your product line's books. Don't try to make up your own kind of treatments. I don't recommend that either. Really follow your product line. These are only a few of many ingredients that lighten hyperpigmentation, but the few that I've listed, they need to be in the at-home care regimen as well. And that is because you would not go to a dentist and not brush your teeth in between appointments with him. It's important that you're progressing the progress at home and preventing any adverse reactions. There are a few treatments that are very effective in fighting hyperpigmentation. For one, laser treatments. That is instantaneous almost. You can do medium laser or you can do very in-depth laser, which has to be done by a physician. Both of those need to have consults with your medical director or whoever is running the laser. The next is chemical peels. Chemical peels are amazing as well. They have to be done in a series. It never is a one and done. Usually, I don't want to say that it's 100% a one and done. I do love the Perfect Derma Peel. It's a great way to lighten the skin, but the chemical peels that I utilize, it's a series, and sometimes it can be all the way up to 6. Make sure you're looking at your product manufacturer's guide, because in that product, it might say that they need to come back every 2 weeks for hyperpigmentation with their particular percentage of ingredients in their peels. These are going to be medium to deep chemical peels, and make sure your clients are going home with a post-care kit. They need to not do anything aggressive for at least 72 hours, depending on, it can be up to a week, depending on the peel and the percentage. Another great option is enzymes. Enzymes help with the more superficial hyperpigmentation. You can exfoliate that by using those digestive enzymes to eat away the dead skin cells, and then you can put vitamin C on top of that, which is a lightener, brightener. It just increases the efficacy of their lightening products at home. So if you have a client that does not want to do chemical peels, enzymes are a great source to look at, because they do help with that superficial hyperpigmentation, and it will make those spots look lighter. As with chemical peels, these enzymes always need to be done in a series. Make sure that you have your clients on a full treatment plan. They know how to use their at-home products. They know when to come back, and you're definitely taking photos to show the results of the before and afters. I used to forget all the time. I cannot tell you how important it is to make sure you're doing B&As when you are having a client in and you are helping with a certain skin condition. It is great advertisement for your clinic, for yourself, for your business. It's also so important for the client. We look at ourselves in the mirror every single day, so to the client, it's not going to look as lightened as it does in the treatment room. So the before and afters help that client to see their progress with your treatment plan. Microdermabrasion and hydrodermabrasion are another great option for hyperpigmentation, because it exfoliates that top layer of skin, and it also helps increase product efficacy, like a vitamin C, which is a lightener, brightener. I love to pair these with chemical peels as well. Again, these are all done in a series, so make sure you're doing the before and afters. You're starting with a 3 to 6 session treatment plan. That's important. Some clients may take 6 chemical peels, 6 microdermabrasions to see those results, but make the client aware that it takes time. It didn't just happen overnight. It's just going to take time to reduce the hyperpigmentation. Another great option is microneedling or RF microneedling. I love these options. I tell my clients to get a series of 3 of these for anti-aging benefits once a year. It helps to induce collagen production, and it gives you an overall light resurface. This is also something that I love to combo with different treatments. Make sure that you have tested your client's tolerance before doing so. These are just a few treatment options that I would do in my treatment room based on the client's tolerance, and you can build them up. It's important for you to explain to the client that this is going to take time. You will take befores, you will take afters, and they will definitely see progress. Even if it's not what they expected, you're still going to have progress in lightening it. It's very important their at-home care matches with the treatment plan. If it doesn't, it could affect how their hyperpigmentation dissipates, and it is not good for them to be using other products. You don't know how they're going to react with your treatments, especially microneedling, chemical peels. Enzymes can be okay, but the microneedling, chemical peels, it's important that you're not mixing those with outside products. You can have a client have an allergic reaction, and you definitely don't want that. I hope this was helpful in broaching hyperpigmentation. It is the time of year, a great time of year to start looking into helping your clients relieve some of that hyperpigmentation. It can make some clients feel insecure. It is great to have some tools in that skincare toolbox that are gonna help your client lighten that hyperpigmentation. I really hope this video helped you learn some different ways to fight hyperpigmentation in your treatment room. It is amazing to use these ingredients, but also to do your own research. Look up different ingredients. There's a lot of ingredients that help fight hyperpigmentation. I personally deal with it a lot in my treatment room because as we age, SPF wasn't as big of a deal back in the day. Now SPF all day, every day. But it is literally where a client has sun damage over the years. You can help reduce that for them by utilizing some of these treatment plans. I hope this video helps. If it did, press that like, subscribe, tell a friend. Happy December, and we'll see you next week.